Hello everyone, let's make a quick and very simple lunch recipe. For this video, I'm going to be making chicken skewers, chips or fries, and it's going to be an amazing video. So let's get started. I'm going to be using chicken breast for this recipe, so I'm going to add in my diced chicken breast. Next, I'm going to be adding in some paprika, black pepper, and some salt. Add in a little bit of cooking oil, and I'll go in with my hands and massage the seasoning into the chicken breast. Once done, I'm going to be taking my wooden skewers. I've soaked these wooden skewers for around 5 minutes in water so that they don't burn. So I'm going to pick my wooden skewer and place the meat in. So I'm going to tightly pack my chicken because I've diced it into small pieces, while adding some green pepper. I like using chicken breast when making skewers because it cooks very fast and the outcome is usually some delicious chicken. Also, I love the way chicken breast absorbs the flavors. So if you don't have the chicken breast, you can use maybe chicken thighs. It's still going to work and the outcome is going to be delicious as well. So while prepping your chicken breasts onto the skewers, you're going to place a grill pan or a normal pan and let the pan get extremely hot. My skewers are ready to go on the pan. So as you can see, my pan is smoking hot. So I'm going to place my skewers on top. Just look at that. That is going to be so delicious. So I'm going to grill my skewers for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Make sure you get some awesome and very juicy chicken. Don't overcook. So while my chicken is grilling, I've placed another pan over here. I'm going to be making fries for my side dish, and you're going to find everything listed down in the description in the right quantity. Check on my skewers and flip. I peeled and chopped my potatoes into fries, then I've added cornstarch. I'm going to mix in my cornstarch. Make sure all the potatoes are well coated with the cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to make the fries very crispy. You can as well toss around in your bowl or basin. Once done, I'm going to check if my cooking oil is ready for the fries. And once you notice bubbling around, the oil is hot. As you can see, the bubbles are not fierce, they're just small bubbles. Next, I'm going to place in my fries carefully. Before making the fries, make sure to pat dry the potatoes because you don't want the potatoes to be wet. And then I'm going to let my fries cook until ready, while checking on my skewers, which are turning out so good. This is how my chicken skewers are looking. You can notice the char on top because we are grilling. So at this point, I'm going to baste my chicken skewers with some barbecue sauce. Flip and repeat the same on the other side. This looks so gorgeous at this point. So this is how my chicken skewers are looking, and I love everything about my plate because the skewers are looking so delicious. The fries are crispy and so delicious. So I've paired this with some sauce and I'm going to fully enjoy my lunch. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and I hope to catch you on my next video.